Hi everyone. Today I'll be making coconut cornbread. What all goes into the coconut cornbread? 1 stick or 1/2 cup butter melted, 3/4 cup buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup coconut cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons coconut extract, 1 3/4 cups flour, 1 cup cornmeal, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup shredded sweetened coconut flakes, plus 1/4 cup additional shredded sweetened coconut flakes for the topping. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 400. Grease an 8x8 baking dish and set aside. Take a large bowl, mix together your 1 stick of melted butter, and it is slightly cooled. We don't want to cook the eggs. So then we want to put in our 3/4 cups of buttermilk. I'm going to mix it so it doesn't curdle. And the 2 eggs. Your 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And I'm walking around my dog. I haven't tripped over him yet. Now this can be served with like chili or a savory dish as a side dish if you would like, or you can make it as a dessert. I am going to use this as a dessert. Then add your 1/3 cup of coconut cream and your 1 teaspoon of vanilla and your 2 teaspoons of coconut extract. And set that aside. Then in a smaller bowl, sift together your 1 cup of cornmeal, your 1 3/4 cups flour, your 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and your 1 teaspoon of salt. So add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix that until just combined. Then fold in your 1/2 cup of shredded sweetened coconut flakes. Dave loves coconut, so I think he'll like this. I think it'll be good with some ice cream on the top. So take your prepared 8x8 pan and put your coconut cornmeal batter in the pan. It looks like I probably should have used the 9x9 pan, but it called for an 8x8 pan. So that's what we're doing. Okay, then smooth it out. That's what's fun about always, doing a new recipe that you've never done before is we learn together. What do you think? Now, the finishing touch, you want to sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup of the shredded sweetened coconut flakes on top. Then put your coconut cornbread in a preheated 400-degree oven for 38 to 42 minutes. The last 15 minutes, cover it with aluminum foil if you need to, so the coconut isn't totally burnt. So it's been 40 minutes. I did put the foil on with 15 minutes to go. It looks nice and brown on the outside. I've got my little cake tester. It's longer than a toothpick, so I'll see if it's done. Since it is such a thick cornbread, and it is done. So we'll let this cool completely. We will serve this as a dessert with ice cream. So here is the coconut cornbread topped with vanilla ice cream. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, it's warm. That's kind of different. Is that cornbread?
It is. That is coconut cornbread.
Well, that's interesting. It's good.
It's got coconut in it, and then on the top, and then I cooked the coconut that's on the top with it.
It has of course, the texture of cornbread, but and I get the texture from the coconut and the flavor from the coconut. So it's a little bit sweet, not like a cake mix sweet. It's enough sweet.
Well, they say you can have it with your dinner, like with chili or something, or you can have it as a dessert. And I chose dessert.
I think it would be better as a dessert. It is a little bit on the sweet side well, it might be good with chili. We'll have to try it in chili and see how that works. Well, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.